and the English teacher.
And the soft palate sound ng, ng, in words like sing, bring, long, ring, strong, morning. For the ng sound, mm, mm, the back of the tongue is in exactly the same position as the k and g pressed against the soft palate. But this time, we do not need to release the tongue. Instead, the air flows out through the nose. I lower the soft palate, the volume, so air can escape through the nasal cavity. You can see my volume dropping a little and the back of the tongue staying sealed. Mm, 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 mm. The sound is voiced, so the throat vibrates the whole time. Mm, mm. In the morning, I love singing long songs while my phone keeps ringing.